Go ahead. Whoa! Where did it go? It's right behind you, Aiden. Can you do it again? Whoa! Boop. Yay! You don't want to play with your balloon anymore?
The animals have something to say. Wait, sing, and holler and chirp away.
What's it gonna be?
Zebra, the alligator. Make a sound.
That's a hard sound to make.
Dog, the animals have something to say. Kangaroo, they push and sway and sing all day. Yak,
You're picking silly animals. What does he say, Aiden?
the animals have something to say. They hoot and holler and chirp away. Vulture, take it away.
Go ahead, say it. Caw, caw.
The animals have something to say. Newt.
Oh, that's a hard one. You can't do that. Do another one. Do more, Aiden. Do more.
Owl.
Can you do that one? Alright, you want to see? Can you say, hoo, hoo? Say it again. Hoo, hoo. What's a dog say? No, that's a sheep. What's a dog say? No, that's a bird. How about a cow? What's a cow say? Moo. How about a dog? No, that's a sheep. How about arf, arf? Can you be a doggy? How about, can you pretend you're a doggy and crawl around on the floor and go, yeah? You like to be baby?